All right, so now so the matter be the Zonian King of the building on your highway. My name now CHIBOI, and they say good afternoon. Welcome on top 95.1 Wazobia FM Chukmao Station. This now Kulele Zone, and that's where they be from 3 p.m. To 6 o'clock in the evening, Mondays to Fridays. You already know Radio Jagaban, one of Africa. Mawade wear shoe before I wear socks. Only Mawade rope pomade before I bath. Hey, guide. Chimam now. All right, welcome inside a fresh new week and a fresh new month. This one and make I wait, make I count them. January, February, March. Okay, this one now March nowadays. So if it is a lie, I swear, ask calendar. CHIBOI on your highway in the building now, and of course we just opened the show. DJ KY is featuring a Fino Final, and they call that one Highway. Bakachukumwege now complete. All right, you already know how we do on radio. Know the sweet pass like this. Wazobia FM, Chukmao Station, and straight with a fire. But first, to make I just see the people when they greet me now. Everybody there. Okay, this one is say, Chai on your highway. Can your colleagueness ever, like ever, Mrs. Bello, I sees you. But I home genanya. All right, so this one say, Church, boss lady, my palaver, I say, you're not grateful for IG. Okay, you are the church having a quarter down, you're my colleague, nice chai. You need to stand down. And this one say, Precious, congrats, Precious, Bombay. The name of the picking will be Bombay. All right, so this one is on your highway, CHIBOI, okay. Thank you very much, Nkechi, from Igondo. And this one is say, welcome on my highway, man. How your weekend? Very fine. Emeka from my 12. He said, nice to have you in the building. Thank you. Merci beaucoup. And this one say, CHIBOI on your highway. And I greet you, Judy from Ekpaja. Judy Neke, what's up? All right, this one say CHIBOI on your highway. Welcome, happy new month. Vicky from Ikorodu. I hail you. This one say good afternoon, CHIBOI. Help me celebrate my sweetheart, Ijama Lizzie, Ajama JB. Today na her birthday. All right, Ijama Lizzie, happy birthday. Your guy, engineer Rotimi, he said make I hail you. And this one say one day we go do and no go agree for our studio. Bring back our working colleagueness for office palaver. That time when I go believe. Say we serious. Rejoice from Shomolu Nide Para. Rejoice. No verse. We love you. Divine from Ilasamaja. I see you. It's on your highway. Happy new month. And this one say good afternoon, CHIBOI. How your weekend on your highway? You are welcome, Mrs. Onyechi Wonsu. And this one to say Chibaba, happy new month. We don't reopen 3rd Mainland Bridge and people are happy. It remains 4th Mainland Bridge to do now. Zoni and Richard Bolt. Not to do you, my brother, and true you talk. When you go from Ikeja, he said I greet you. And this one, you say you want married this Saturday. You don't get the girl, you don't get hall. I beg invite me, make a MC for you. Ada Zion from Bucknell. Happy new month to you. And this one say Walkie Highway, welcome. And nothing to you, mercy from a papa. I see you. Your number finish for 6334. And they greet you. And the messages does it plenty. But what we're going to do now is we move straight, enter inside the main gist of the show. We'd always start on Monday with PTA meeting. That one, a Parents Teachers Association meeting, a segment where they talk about the younger ones, how to take care of them, how to behave with them in the society, from small babies to our youth. Things concerning our children, the leaders of tomorrow. Today on top PTA meeting, it gets something will happen. We go bring us to the talk. We'll go talk today. I go tell you a brief story, and from this story, when we go message come back, we'll go begin to check out on top the story. It get this woman we been there one afternoon for her parlor with her friend, will be her neighbor. We come visit her. They just did the gist for afternoon. The woman 4-year-old daughter sit down for chair, small chair where they keep for children, and then give her rice. So she feed herself. The baby, the daughter just dey 4 years old. The woman can't shout, call her house help, say make she come, can't tell her say make he fetch water for cup for the baby cup, give her water to drink, make she no choke. Pepper did this to you. So the house help come bring the cup, come drop am for the baby, for the daughter. As the woman they gist with her friend, the friend I just go to the daughter where they chop. Next thing the baby carry the cup, she want drink the water. The woman rush immediately and collect the cup of water from the daughter. The woman they look say, why my friend no gree my daughter? Why she rush her like that? Collect the cup. Even the baby fear, and the lady now remove her eyeglass, carry the cup of water, go outside to the sun, go look am well again. The madam of the house follow her, and when they go look, now they see say something they on top the water, they float. And when everybody look well, compound people, everybody come out, they testify, say that thing be like saliva. It be like cough. So the house girl, sorry to anybody where this thing go, maybe it go did disgusting or it go irritate you. I hope say nobody they chop now. So the house girl do and spit cough inside the cup of water where she give that little girl to drink. She give her own saliva to drink. So our topic today on Top PTA meeting, housemaid. We will talk this afternoon about housemaid, and when we come back, I go open the telephone lines to share your testimonies. Waiting you know about your housemaid. Which stories you don't hear about waiting housemaid do. Today we know they talk about waiting people they do housemaid. We talk about waiting some of them, how them fit behave, how kind you did to your housemaid, waiting be the relationship between you and your housemaid, where you know I'm from. People feel say these girls, anything when I do them, they go take. Any food when I give them, then they go chop. After all, if parents no get money, now for village they suffer before I bring them. So you feel say you go fit day inside your home and your children they chop chicken and jollof rice and house help go they drink gari. And you say after all for her house, she see chicken chop, now my house you want chop. But she already know when you they maltreat her, she knows say no be as your children they live, now she they live. They already know when you they suffer them. How about when they know they happy with you? How they fit harm you? How they fit harm your children? You really trust these children? You really feel say your housemaid no get any power? You still the local eye of a local girl we no know anything? The fear where that woman fear to think say her own daughter where they innocent. Say this house girl, how many other times her daughter don't want drink something? What if no be saliva she pour inside that cup? What if na something where they dangerous? What if na bleach? What if na something again where for harm her daughter? When they talk about housemaid and they come back. All right, so the matter be 16 minutes after 3 o'clock, and we're inside PTA meeting for Kulele Zone. My name now CHIBOI. Our topic today now house help, and so the matter take be. I just tell you the story of something true life where happen to a woman we be know the day in good terms with the girl where they take care of her children. Yes, the house help know they happy. It already tell madam say I want go. Madam say you know they go anywhere. You will be say I don't pay your money, I don't pay your family, I don't suffer, and then carry you bring you all the way from una village to Lagos here. You reach here say you know they stay. You are going nowhere. You'll be my own investment. So how many people they listen to this program we know say them no really they in good terms with their house help? How wise a day for somebody where they feed your children, feed you, feed your husband, all the people you love for your life. When una they sleep, she dey for kitchen, they wash pots. The pot when I go take chop. The food stuff where you go eat, the water where your children go drink, the one where they go bath, the medicine where you say make you give your children. How can somebody where they close to you, where we say fit cause you so much dangerful, how can you and the person know they in good terms? So special shout out to all the madams we know they in a better relationship with their people, how you go take the manage. Small time now. When I come back, they go telephone lines.
My heart to do yoli. Nobody can love you the way I do. I'm with you, my love.
All right, so my colleagues just are busting now. Colleagues.
Yes, colleagues. I be the go. I can't notice say I never tell you bye bye now.
No, bye bye now. Talk it now.
I can't to tell my colleague bye bye now.
Nah.
I'll be girl.
Now moving
on now, colleagues. Why they tell you that bye bye now? Now just to inform anybody seriously, anybody will be say you that listen to us and you be a first time mom. You just born now, your first pikin be that,
okay.
And maybe your baby there between could may have been 1 month to 6 months old. Yes, why they mention that 6 months old? Because some people know they come out for house if that baby never reach, exclusive 6 months and all that. Yeah. So if your baby done there like from 1 month to 6 months or 7 or 8 months, and you be first time mom, now your first pikin be that, please send us message on top WhatsApp. Calling us, do me that favor.
Okay.
At least get 4 numbers for me.
Okay.
And so I go call. You just send me my call. I beg. Right. Yes, first time mom, please tell anybody would they find you and they listen to us. You be first time mom, please send your number now. We need call you. We need see you. Callingness, have a kiss now.
Thank you very much.
Have a wonderful day now.
Now.
This is my colleagueness now. I hear any word from the now. Pick the person up
now.
pay you money. Make sure say you take care of yourself.
Simple now.
Because you never tell people they pick up boys and they clean people up.
I don't know, you're changing lives.
Well, I see you tomorrow, man.
Thank you very much. All right, you're not already hear that one. So if you be first time mama, this now your first picking that you born and in every 6 months, I beg send your number, confirm yourself. You be like say something fit day for you. Meanwhile, we ask about house girl for PTA meeting today. From the things we would see nowadays, the things we would hear, it be like say, time don't pass to begin drag with these girls. Then they too close to your family for you to begin drag. Whether now flogging of cane, we don't hear them. The one where they use boiling ring burn the girl back, we don't hear them. The one where use iron burn them, we don't hear them. The one where use broom beat them, the broom cut inside his skin, we don't hear them. The one where they use wire, the one where they use farm belt, the one where they put pepper for an iron inside of it, we don't hear all those things. Those ones when they give them food, the ones where they send them when they go sleep for store or for outside or for garage or for ground for kitchen, we don't hear those ones. The question what would they ask this afternoon, is it safe for you and your children? Is it possible say after you wicked this girl, should they revenge on top your children, but you don't know? What do you know about your housemaid? You they treat her badly and you feel say she not go fit to do anything. You know what she do your children, camera day your house, you know why you're picking them down they sick, you know of any wicked thing. If you fit to pour saliva for cup, give pikin make it drink, they're waiting again, they no fit think. Waiting be the best way to treat these people. If me, I go choose, I go say make we dey in peace with them. It better make her be mumu, make my house girl win, than make her form madam, make she con the wicked and poison my children. All right, anybody we want to share testimonies with us? How far can this house girl them go? Now, housemaid with the talk. Waiting they do when we know the house. 0700-951-951-951. I go like follow you talk now. Make us share testimonies. Tell us, housemaid, now with the talk. Hello?
Hello, the radio Jagaban himself.
I greet you, madam. I greet you. Welcome.
The only man where they rock for bed before I go back.
Now me be that. I'm not to get sense. I don't know much.
The only highway.
I'm not to get sense. On your highway now.
Now, Mrs. Bello, good afternoon.
Mrs. Bello, you did welcome. Good afternoon, ma.
Well done.
Okay.
That's after PTA stuff.
Yes.
You know one thing, Now, only foolish woman go no say he's supposed to take care of first thing where they take care of her children. There's one thing my director they talk that time once they work with her. He's a retired naval person. He they talk some certain things. He says if there are people you must respect and treat well in life. He said 1, your security man, your gate man. He said 2, your secretary, you must not play with soft people. He said 3, your cook. He said 4, your driver. Now, if you look at this sort of most time we go to repeat and repeat, and when I come sit down truly, I come analyze them. He go say, now these 4 people now then hold your life. He said if you treat your cook badly, your tummy go tell you.
Not true.
If you treat your security man badly, your life is not 100% secure.
He go open the gate from the highway.
In fact, you go open gate. In fact, that one, the gate go really open.
He go open the
if you
rig
treat
gate.
your secretary in the office, if you treat them anyhow,
your confidential documents go lost.
That is it. So
you go sell your company.
It is only a foolish woman. Yeah, if I see some women like the way they maltreat their maid or whatever they call the person, it's very, very wrong and painful. Me, I've been living with people, though they are my family. One will come and go, the other will come and go. I used to have it at the back of my mind that these people are special to me in as much they are taking care of my children when I'm not around. Because as a woman, most women, they don't even stay in the house. The only time they have to enter the house now to treat the maid bad. It's very, very wrong. And as many that are involved in that thing, they should remove their hands from me, because I will not say that they are the maids, they are gods, but they have access to the life of your children. In case you don't know, they even have access to your own life. In case you don't know. So that is what I have to say in this PTA meeting.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Bello. Nothing to you.
Yes, well done.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, CHIBOI.
I greet you. Good evening. Welcome.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Afternoon. Sorry, evening never reach. Afternoon.
CHIBOI,
Yes, sir.
even on your way going to church,
Hmm.
you could say this on the house there.
Hmm.
Some of these women, they are so wicked. I share one story with you sometimes in this radio that there's one particular woman at Barika.
Hmm.
The house were burned down with 2 children to ask,
Hmm.
fuel inside their room with 2 children just born up because of the wicked woman. You see, some women, they don't know, and some men, they don't know what they call house help or cook. Just as Mrs. Bello just talked now, or driver security. Their life, after God, their life in their hands.
Hmm.
But they can do anything at any fucking time and go away. Some of them don't even know where they get the come from. Even the driver, even the house, even the gate man, they don't know where they come from. They keep them from Lagos here. So, you see, that is why I tell people, listen to Wazobia. If you don't listen to, thank God for Wazobia, the English and the even the person who go school, you don't go school, then they understand. Because look at the one where teacher just finished this afternoon. I tried to call, no way. Now you bring this one. Who gets here? Make it listen to Wazobia. Not be saying with the ways to the detail. With the learn. With the learn. Well done, my brother.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
All right.
Bye-bye. All right, we're still there on top. Your Chook Mouth station. My name is CHIBOI Radio Jagaban, one of Africa. 28 minutes, 9 on Piante. Come out from 3 o'clock. And the way they sonch so music where they trip you so. Now the music by Sensei. And they call this one Monica.
Monica, make out something. Make out something. Monica, make out something. No go on you, Pepper no let you rest you. Make I show myself, I go do anything you want you. Make I dance and shake body, I no go on
All right, so we just they listen on top our matter where they talk about housemaid, and today we will not talk about housemaid them or their disobedience or anything. When they talk about the treatment, the general relationship between madam, oga, family, and housemaid, the dangerful way they when the housemaid no they happy. If you really think it be like say the happiness of the housemaid is more important than the happiness of the madam. The happiness of the housemaid is hereby more important than the happiness of the oga of the house. You know why? Madam no go worry in children, oga cannot worry in children, but the housemaid will go stay with the children can become enemy, and if she turn to enemy, anything can happen. Only God know how many kidnappings, only God know how many sickness, only God know how many infection, only God know how many wicked evilness don't happen because we not really care, and we look that housemaid as somebody we know fit should not fit try. All right, somebody say good afternoon, Ogachi boy. I've been get friend like that. Whenever they send her to bring water, her auntie send her, she go pour spit inside the water and she go give her because the woman they maltreat her. Chisom from her papa. Wow, so many things they happen. And okay, this one say my friend. This one say good afternoon, CHIBOI. Some house help and the madam are in good terms, but some are zero. My auntie houseboy, they related to the husband, and the boy in a secondary school now the children they primary school. One day when they come back from school, they notice say they are drinking water, they don't mix some or tapia. But God help them, say then discover. This stuff from Madam Gladys. You say my friend brother married her maid and took her abroad. Both of them are now happy. Wow. So many things they happen. Imagine otapia. Imagine otapia inside water. Wow, that one a die. God help us. CHIBOI, on your highway, well done. What in that house may do no good at all. It could be that the madam, they take care of her, or they feed her well. That one no means say me she do that kind of thing. She must be sent packing. If not, she go poison the little baby. Divine from Ilasamaja. Divine, what you they talk now true. If you ask me nowadays, before now with a judge case, many things involving house help. They say house help dirty. They say lazy. They say no sabi speak English. They say no they take care of children. It too they forget message where they send them. Yes, I agree. Say these children. Remember, say they know to get home training. After all, their parents no be say they get to take care of them. Who even train them? Who even give them parent care or love? Their parents way be say that they find who go just carry the pikin, make it give them money. Some of them now because they no fit train the pikin again, they find. So would they expect sometimes too much from these children? Imagine say they be children we get home training, well brought up from hardworking parents and everything they go well for their family. Nobody go like to carry pikin, give person, make it go they do one boy. If everything is well. So maybe not to pity these children, to talk say maybe home training no good, they go for bad area, for ghetto, nobody to teach them the good things in life, waiting and waiting they're not supposed to do. CHIBOI, good afternoon. Happy New Month. This house help and Palavao, I carry my junior sister daughter just to help my sister, but I don't know say this girl now winch. She put poison for my food. I sick, nearly die. But she confessed to me that she no do with her clear eye, but still I like her. Even yesterday I sent her card and encourage her after I send her back to her mama, but I take her as my daughter and I love her. Madam Cody from Aboju. Hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Hello, Tipon.
Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon.
Welcome. Who they here?
This is from
Okay. Ifoma, network bad for down our area. The last time when you come in, I saw the thing they crack. It don't start again.
Let me
Chai.
can you hear me?
We know they to hear you, but it will they hear you, but they crack. Anyway, try talk more we hear.
Okay. Well, see, it all depends on some madam. This is some madam. She say when they don't have but they feel they are the most people than other house girl. So when you get the sister like your own sister like an house. So when you go out, the house will also treat the children the way you are. If you show how to love, take them as that's how other mothers treat their own children. So if you take them as your own, have them well. I'm not sure the reason why. How to children. So it depends on we have the way we do children, the way we treat them. So we should be able to treat them very well. Them people will take care of our children. If we don't do so, do them to our children, they will maltreat. Okay, imagine. It's too bad.
The network done they too bad. We know they even hear all with you they talk. We know they hear.
Sorry.
Honestly, I don't know. Maybe not the network for Mona area.
I don't know.
They pay me. Anyway, thank you. Yeah. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, CHIBOI. Good afternoon.
I greet you. Welcome.
This is Janet on the line.
Okay, Janet. So, will they talk about our housemaids and whether make we carry them as queen, or be make we they beg them, make we they pet them, they pamper them? Because if they get evil mind, anything can happen.
Yeah, CHIBOI.
Yes,
supposed to the pet house there. Me, myself, I'm talking to. I've done that work before. Do you understand?
Yes.
So, because as I cook tomorrow, I used to cook for them, and those people they are pastor, but they are very wicked. If you don't do something, if they have to stop. Before they don't beat those house girls because me I used to cook for them, so they take another person to take care of the children. So before the woman say, why are you shouting at them like that? Before they don't beat the house girls, both the man and the husband. So anytime those house girls take the children out or to go and bake there or to do something, they will beat that child. And I'll say, why are you beating them? They'll say, because madam is too wicked, man. So it's good for all those big matters to be nice to we house girls. I've done that work before. I know what I see. Yes, it's not nice. They don't treat house girls very well. So that's my one issue.
It's okay. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Okay.
All right, so when they come back, and when we come back, more gist, it is shock you. From what would they see, it be like say the person we're supposed to enjoy most for that house now house help. House help, it be like say that then go begin to chop 2 chicken now. Now then go begin to bath with hot water. It be like say we'll go buy new mattress, clean up the visitors' room, make house help they comfortable. You know why? They are vexed, they good. how much you're ready to sacrifice to keep your children safe? Instead of to give her no meat, instead of to no give her where to sleep, instead of to no buy her clothes, fine clothes to wear, instead of to they beat them, they shout for them, they sort them every time. Imagine say you want me somebody show love to your pikin, then you they show them opposite of love. How it go work? If to say we don't think this thing since for don't arrange, you they beat the girl, they flog them. Small time you go say make you carry your daughter go feed them. Hey. After you beat and broom, you say make you go do akamo for your baby, make you breastfeed, make you give the baby akamo for feeding bottle. How manage? After you know going to put her for school, you say make you go market, go buy things, come cook, give your children, make them chop, make them happy. Make your own children grow, make you the beat them. Make your own children clean, make she dey dirty. How you think say it go work? Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Yes, I don't pick your call. Talk to us.
Sorry. Good afternoon. Well done.
Good afternoon. Welcome.
How today now?
Fine. Would I hear you?
It's Mr. Taiwo from Ojure.
Okay, fire down.
Yeah. That announcement we check and make that time. I didn't understand it. Number one. And number two, for that houseboy. You know, say all those houseboys, they get as they do because of our children or something like that. We're supposed to know how to take care of them by ourselves so that they will take care of person. For that one, we talk that and say, do something for inside water to give person. You know, see, that's why it just be like say they won't give person poison. And it's not good. So that's my hope.
Okay. Anyway, Church will be announced. Say anybody when they listen to the show will be mother. Will be mother. And this now her first time. You just born your first baby and the baby never reached 6 months. Say may you send your phone number. But already we don't take the entries already. Yes. Sorry to say you know here well. Yes. So we don't take the first 3 and we don't send to yes. Thank you so much.
Well,
okay, bye-bye. All right, so the question be say how dangerous it is make you and your house girl they get quarrel. How dangerous? Who be the real madam? Who really be the madam of the house, you or your housemate? Think about this talk before you begin to raise shoulder, begin to raise your nails and lashes, before you begin to hold car key, before you begin to carry cane and pepper and boil ringer iron and carry broom to beat her. Who is the real madam for that house? Now you, when not they around, I been a she where they control the drugs, the kitchen, the food, the water, everything where your husband and children they chop. Hello? Hello?
Brother.
I greet you, sister.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome. Yes,
we thank God for today.
We thank God. Yes, sir.
Well done. God bless you. Happy new month to you.
I wish you the same, sister. Nothing to you.
Thank God.
Yes, ma'am.
In fact, first of all, congratulations to Precious. And congratulations to Mommy Ostar, 25th wedding anniversary.
Not be smart.
I celebrate them. God will bless them in Jesus' name.
Amen.
See this matter,
Yes, sir.
Make I just tell you the one with them. I get one small girl every morning when they go school. I go see the girl with the children. She go carry the bag. The children they go. More time you go see the girl. You go give that small boy for head like this. Bah! I could imagine why this girl they always beat this boy. So one day I interfere. I say, come. Why do you always beat this boy? He say, don't used to walk fast. I'll tell him to. I say, is that why you be slapping him in his forehead? It's not good. One woman once tell me, say, Mommy, this girl, I don't blame her more. You know why they did that boy? If you see where this boy, mama, they beat this girl. You know, go listen and girl where they stay with her. I can't say, but that one not go make this girl. They slap this boy like this. The boy don't know anything. Me, though, I can't look at it. The girl self na small pikin. That girl to be around 10, 11, 12 years. So the girl na small girl. So later we find out say now the way the woman they treat
now the wicked
so
the vex the
girl go the revenge
on top
on that boy. But the small girl where the boy see, you know they beat am. Now only that boy they beat well. You know they beat that small girl. But now I know they see the girl. They be like, so she don't carry the girl go back. So some people just dey like that. Pikin go there with them. Then go they treat the pikin anyhow. I know say some house they naturally wicked, both house boys. But some when you are kind to them, they will show the kindness to your children. That's justice. Me, I no carry house girl. I manage myself till they grow like this.
The grace of God.
Are they suspect say person don't go fit stay without to correct them. We not go talk say because them two are partly your children.
Yes.
So they're not go do bad thing. But imagine say you they correct them, but they eat good food, they wear clean clothes.
Yes.
You understand? So in the moment you say, why did you do this? He go really believe say no be out of hatred. You understand? But all those ones will be say you go to give and kitchen make you sleep for ground. You go to sleep for outside. You know the food one na cook. You know go let am chop that one. You go to drink garri. That one too na her fault. She do bad thing.
Chiboy, see, nobody will no like love. You see that LOVE. If you give her to somebody, know how the person wicked will give you back. I don't see a child where he say he live with his parents. They show and love, but if you see the way where this child they behave, but you know what they talk for outside, he go say, but I no go lie you. My parents they show me love, now me just they do anyhow. This thing go come up for the pikin mouth. I go they look at you, so you know say your parents show you love. Why you can't behave like you go just end and say, mommy, I don't even know. Then you see. So for that house girl, if you show that pikin love, no how. That pikin, that love for there inside and when
even the quarrel, the conk where you conk and the quarrel where you quarrel, you no go even to you no go hold on for mind. You know say if fries do now, chicken they come. You know say anything wanna cook today, you go chop it own.
Yes,
you understand?
You know get the sweet. If that's your house girl, the thing where you take senior your children, or the thing where your children take senior no plenty, you go see, you go they treat them the same way. If you they slap your pikin for back, you they slap the house girl for back. This house girl will not say, that's how our mom used to do. It will be it's the same thing. But when your house girl do something, you go pin her for ground. I don't see woman where he say he go pin the pikin, they beat am. But when the old do something, he go just say, stop that, don't do it again. You are not doing the same thing to the girl. The girl go they see you say you wicked. But when you do the same thing to your house girl, you do to your own child. The pikin go take and say that's how our mom is. So it go even they behave like your children. But when you begin to treat them bad, they know they are human. There is nothing like love. If you show me love, boy, I go return the love.
But
if you show me wickedness, especially children of nowadays, they know past me and you. Even the one when I
sister, you know what they calculate. We say, no amount where person go spend on top to take care of that house help. Where go reach the money where you go take treat your pikin if that girl wicked them. If they give them kerosene, give them bleach, they for hospital. They say na food poisoning. They want the operation. So how much be their sneakers? How much be socks? How much be school fees or textbook or uniform for the pikin? How much be money making the plaiting hair? I go to correct them, but he go to live very good life. Chop good food. So that that evil mind, he no go think good outside.
If he go be like that,
thank you, sister.
Out of all of us, it go good. But there's one thing I want to say before I go. You don't see where they did the train picking. Most of the married ladies now say that they marry love. When they marry, they know they do anything. They go collect one small girl come. Picking where they know where to take mama trainer. I want to train another person picking. Let's leave that area.
Another matter for another. God bless you, sister.
My brother.
Yes,
God bless you.
Bye-bye. All right, so 8 minutes and now 7 minutes now remain on top of the show. Mokwe Rush takes some messages, and this one are from my special Auntie J. Auntie Jume says, CHIBOI, KK, yeah. Guy Ina, he's very fine. She say happy new month, CHIBOI. But two house girl say a hankali. Gaskiya some people they wicked. The way that they treat their house girl, they sure saying the maltreatment which they give the girl. Now wait to make the girl do what she do. The thing be say you need to be patient with them since they are the ones where they take care of you yourself and your whole family and the children. You say when you know they there, now them they with your children. You don't know what thing they happen when you know they there. I know they talk say the house girls too they perfect too. Some of them too they wicked. Abong say a hankali walai CHIBOI my house girls in Kagan Aikinsu. upstairs where our rooms are, big room upstairs with fan, everything. Okay, in Kaget Dakin, so that is their room where then they stay. Very correct place. Big room, fan, they there, television, they with them. You say, what thing with the chop? Neither they chop. At times, I will go even they beg them, say, may they eat to their satisfaction, so that I don't go get problem with my house girls. If they come, they know they like to go again. If they are going to their parents, they will call to show appreciation. But it was so bad of her because the child and an innocent pikin. CHIBOI Nage Shaker say hankali. Thank you so much, Auntie J. Yes, this thing where Auntie J talk now true. I don't see house girls will be say on the day of going, not tears then they shed. They no one come out from the house. So maybe be like say it go make more sense to spare them, make them chop, wouldn't be food, make them wear clothes. All those things where would they deny them? Like say with you too stingy, you go cook food, you go say make them no carry, no chop, no carry meat. Meanwhile, these children can do something, God forbid, and kill your pikin. This one say if you see most house helps if in church, okay, not true. If you see most of the people house help for church, you go fit know which one be house help, which one be the real pikin of the madam. The addressing go tell you. If you see the house help, you go know say yes, this one he no good. And the woman did they lift holy hands inside church. Already your life they show just the difference between your children and the house help. Everybody can see for that church say you get how you they treat person pikin. All right, so this one say, CHIBOI, good afternoon. Are they very happy for this PTA meeting? Some madam just did too wicked. It happened to me my first year when I come Lagos State. How my madam used to wicked herself, thinking say she did wicked me, and she go leave her little child for me, and she don't know. That waiting I fit do to the pikin. Anyway, I used to tell her that we are also women, we are also human being. Veronica from Lekki, thank you very much. Now wow, no be smart. CHIBOI, anybody will bring housemaid come in house, make him know say the way he treat in pikin, now the same way he go treat the housemaid. If not wahala, now he put himself. Divine from Ilasa Maja. And this one say, Oga CHIBOI, my girlfriend elder sister, now she gets maid. In fact, if you go to their house, you know could fit differentiate between the woman, children, everything they do in common. She na Calabar woman, while my friend are from Rivers, a very wealthy and nice family. Alice, now they tell us this one. Now so it's supposed to be that girl no go fit get bad mind, and when the woman quarrel, if her auntie quarrel her, she go dey sorry, she go take correction, believe say no be wickedness. After all, the woman they do good thing for her, so she fit they chop good food, live good life, go better school. If they give her money to give her parents, if that car auntie quarrel you go even change. You no go even want do bad thing, make them no send you go change, bring another maid. Lucy says some madam now just say that they naturally wicked. Even to give the girl food now left over them, they give them first to wake and last to sleep. Then come Lagos where I define work, and now I experience some. Only 2 days I move. Thank you so much, Zonia Lucy. All right, now here now go match break. Very, very short time now we get. But another day we go talk on your highway. Somebody they greets me, say no be only housemaid, even your apprentice them. Not true. Vicky from Adetola Aguda Surulere. House help, gardener, cook, driver, houseboy. These people, they too close to us. It they dangerous to treat them bad. Housemaid, you say they be terrible homebreakers. I'm talking from experience. I know of a family where the maid sent madam packing and ended up marrying Oga. Her madam already get 4 children with. When all this thing happened, the interesting part of it all be say. She also, the maid, she not enjoy the marriage as the man of the house can't dump her when he finish with her. My advice be this: if anybody want to get housemaid, please treat them the way you treat yourself or your children to avoid endangering your life. Rose from Ilasa, not true you talk. All right, when we come back, it go be time for news, and I see your message also. Tonya say thank you so much. I say you bring this topic. God bless you, and we see your own message too. God bless you. Your number finish for 0020. When they come back to enter newsroom.